Hi everyone, today I have the Caudalie Vinopure Purifying Gel Cleanser. This has been a cleanser that I have been using and really enjoying lately. It's an extremely light gel formula and I love how gentle it feels onto the skin. I never feel like my skin is stripped or really dry after using this cleanser, and I feel like that's important because this one is meant to kind of like tighten your pores. And so sometimes whenever I use products that have a tightening aspect, my face can feel a little bit dry or just a little bit stripped, and this one does not make my skin feel like that at all. It just feels extremely clean. I really like that this one uses natural salicylic acid, so it does help to reduce oil without being too extreme or too harsh. So after using this, I feel like my skin feels very smooth and clean and balanced, and you can use it morning and night. I use it primarily at night, but you can use it both. So whenever you cleanse your skin, this can be used morning or night.